2023 Barletta Lusso 25-foot with the M style seating, Tri-Toon, black and gunmetal gray. Easy board ladder, Mercury 450 horsepower racing engine, ski tow bar with American flag, center fuel door, got the sport arch that is power actuated to lower for easy access to garages, lifts, bridge clearance. Pop-up cleats. Large extended deck for the swim platform. Easy walk on. The M-style seating gives you multiple configurations. Battery switch, cockpit table, in-floor ski locker, raised helm, Simrad, digital throttle and shift. As equipped, this has capacity for 12 people. Dock view doors, the port side and forward. Another feature of the M series,